please subscribe.
Bought an Optiplex 745 Dell for mining. I paid $15 for it. So what's key is that it's a 64-bit system, Ethernet. I'm just double checking a few things here to get ready to tear it apart. I'll be changing out the power supply for a 750 watt ATX. The hard drive eventually will go as well, and I'm just going to remove all the plastic, remove DVD drive, that type of thing. Just looking at the PCI slot, the 16 by, so I'm going to use a 4-way splitter. There's two 16 slots here, so I just need one. The computer didn't come with an operating system. It's just downloading Windows 10 without a license, and that should be fine just for mining. So that's what I'm doing here, doing all the updates, getting the system ready to start mining. The mining software is all 64-bit, so once again, that's key to this miner even working from the get-go. This is on mineable.com, and I'm just running off the CPU here. It's 93 hash, which isn't much at all, but just to see if the CPU would do any type of mining, and it's doing a little bit. But I'm going to add GPUs here soon.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.